We present you a new video. We hope you find it useful. I will do and other interesting videos. Subscribe and you won't miss them. BMW X3 F 25 rear wheel bearing replacement. When there are noises on the rear axle, this can be one of the reasons. Remove the lock nuts and loosen the output shaft nut. Remove the brake caliper. Remove the brake caliper support. Remove the brake disc. The bearing is fixed with 4 screws. Loosen each screw as much as possible. Push the output shaft head inward to loosen the screws completely. Use an inertial hammer to remove the bearing, then push the output end of gear until it is free. This is what it looks like now, and this is the bearing. It was also necessary to dismantle the ABS sensor in order not to damage it. I will use a bearing produced by FAG with the part code 713649570. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be back with more interesting videos soon. Do not miss other videos that may interest you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.